Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. This is Dr. Pooja Nayak and you are watching Homeo Concept. First of all, I would like to apologize for uploading our video very late in our channel. So extremely sorry for that, and definitely we will take care in future ahead. Now today I came back to discussing about a great remedy. This is all about Calcarea Ars. So after Kali Ars, now the turn is about Calcarea Ars. So before going to start our video, I would like to congratulate to everyone for Happy New Year. So wishing you a lots of happiness, love, prosperity to all of you. So thank you so much for connecting with us. So definitely when we talk about the Calcarea Ars, it's a combination of the two deep acting remedy. This is Calcarea carb and arsenic as well, and you all know that both remedy are deep acting remedy and treat the critical cases with a miraculous result in homeopathy. When there is any kind of glandular affection, definitely Calcarea carb is a very good remedy. So when we interact with the patient, when we take the case taking from the patient, what will we observe from the patient? This is very important. So let's start. Definitely when we take the case taking Calcarea patient, you will first important symptom is appearance of the patient, and when patient enters in your clinic, you will find the cute, chubby looking, very fatty and flabby constitution of Calcarea patient. And you will find the thin hair, patient will be much chilly, patient will be very thirsty, and there will be much perspiration over the head, and patient will be non-diligent as well. You will find the perspiration in Calcarea patient, and definitely arsenic patient is in despair and much anxiety about everything, and Calcarea and arsenic both are great remedy when we find the much anxiety in a patient, anxiety about health, anxiety about everywhere to go anywhere. So appearance is very important, and Calcarea Ars is generally a left sided remedy, and patient may be introverted or extroverted as well. So both can be happen in a patient when we take the case taking. And now what will we find during case taking, which is very important, that is patient will be indecisive, always dependent on others, always want protection and security about around them. And very important thing, you will find the slowness in a patient, slowness of everything, slowness in mental activity, and slowness in physical activity as well. And when you ask the question from the patient, definitely he or she will say that I am very slow to do work, any kind of work, even at arithmetic, math solution, as well as the physical work as well. So when you find the slowness, definitely you can think of about Calcarea carb. And patient find the luxurious lifestyle every time, and slowness of everything, but slowness with creativity, have to take time to perform anything, but do with quality. This is the basic nature of the Calcarea carb. And definitely when you find the slowness in a patient, when you take the case taking, patient has a great desire to achieve everything. He wanted to be a great IS officer, doctor, or any kind of businessman as well, but there is no practical outcome, there is no capability to perform anything in a right way, in a proper way, but there is great desire. When what happen, when there is desire is more and no capability to perform anything, they just converted into frustration. If they are not able to do anything, they get disturbed or they get frustrated to do or perform such kind of events. And this kind of frustration, when it continues, converted in the insecurity in a patient, and this insecurity continuous persist in a patient, and it converts into the anxiety in a patient, which always patient has a great anxiety to go anywhere, to perform any interview, to face any exams. Everywhere there is great anxiety. You can find this kind of anxiety in arsenic as well. Patient has a great fear of everything, fear of being infected, fear of being any kind of fatal disease, which great anxiety. And this kind of anxiety and insecurity converted into confusion, and due to all these kind of confusion, it just converted into the weak memory in a patient. Patient memory will be very weak, and they can be forgetful as well. And due to all conditions, it may be happen that inferiority can happen in a patient, and due to inferiority, withdrawal symptom can be happen in a patient. And what happens due to all that? There is mistakes to read and write in a patient. Very important thing. So due to all such condition, patient's memory will be very weak, and confusion can happen in a patient, and they will be depressed at every level. So these are happens just due to slowness in a mind. And calcarea patient is very avaricious. लोभ, हर चीज का लोभ है, to get achieve everything, and they always wanted to be spend their life with luxurious articles, always want servants around them, because they are not capable to perform any kind of work, they are not physically active to do any kind of work. So this happen just due to weakness of their limbs, just due to deficiency of the calcium in the patient. And there is great desire to great desire to have fast food, sweets. So always they wanted to be take fast food and sweets and clay indigestible things as well. And patient desire to be magnetized, always want to create the affectation, not like platina, but always wanted to be magnetized around the people. You can also find this symptom in silicea, phosphorus as well. And there is a great desire to be protective by the relatives, by the friends, by the family members as well. And very sensitive to criticism, very sensitivity to rudeness. If you are talking about calcarea patient, they always create the delusion that they are talking about us. So these are the basic nature of the calcarea carp and arsenic as well. And you know that arsenic patient is also avaricious, and they always wanted to be they always wanted to take treatment in hospital, government hospital, not private hospital, because they are in despair. They don't want to call the doctor because they want that disease is fatal and they are going to die. Arsenic has a great thirst, and so both combination of the both remedy is just outstanding to treat the very critical cases in a patient. So thank you so much for watching us, and stay connected with us.